Okay, we're going to finish up here just by talking a little bit more about FBML and applications. Now, FBML is Facebook's markup language. I just showed you how to create a static page using basic HTML, but there are some things you can't do with it, like use JavaScript. There are several restrictions that you can't use. What they've done is they've created a markup language to handle that. I've created a link to this page, and it's in the resources document. And in here, you can see the FBML tags that you can use. And they're divided. We have users and groups. We have the tags in there. Profile specific, the tags we can use in there. And the FB visible on profile. Okay, so these are all the tags. Down here, we have embed media tags. We have social widgets. Platform internationalizations. You just see there's all kinds of them in here. We have forms and miscellaneous. Okay, so if, for instance, if you want to embed an FLV video, you can click on that. It comes up with the attributes and it explains what they all are. And then there's an example down here you can follow. Okay, so this tells you how you can embed an FLV video into your site. Okay, so you have to use the FBML markup language to do that. Okay, so there's an example. It's a little more complex than just using HTML, but sometimes you do have to use this. Okay, so these tags are really for more specific use while creating applications. Okay, so I'm not going to go too much into these. It's an advanced function, but I wanted you to be aware of them. But I think I should show you an example. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to embed an MP3 into my page. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll go to our Facebook page here, and we could create a new page. And then let's create another FBML box. Now to do this, what you need to do is go and edit the one that you already have. And then at the bottom, you need to add a new FBML box. Okay, and then click Edit. And now we have an FBML box. So we could just put my favorite music. Okay, and then we can put a combination of HTML and FBML in here. So you could go ahead, go to your web editor, and create a nice part at the top like we did before to match our colors and so on. Maybe put it in a table, and then put the FBML code inside the table. Okay, so there is our beginning there. I'm just going to put tunes as a heading 2. I got a paragraph break there. Now let's just go back and steal the tag here. Let's just steal the example. Copy. Now let's paste that in here. Now of course we're going to have our MP3 file uploaded to our server somewhere. So I have uploaded my music file to my host so that I can access it here. Okay, so first we'll change the song name. Artist Journey. And the album name. And then the location on your server. Like that. Okay, we'll save the changes. And now I'll go view our site. Okay, so that's an example of how you can use FBML on your pages. Now, last thing I want to do is just talk a little bit about applications. Okay, to finish up, let's just talk about adding applications to our page. What you do, just go down to the bottom, click on Browse More, select Pages on the side here, and these are applications that you can add to your pages. So you can just go across here till you find one that you want to put on. Let's say a YouTube box. Okay, we can add that to my page. And we want to add it to our dog training page here. Close. Okay, back to our page now. Okay, and then we roll down till we find it. Here's our YouTube box. Okay, we got the same thing here. Our application settings. It's going to be a tab, either available or added. And we have here no additional permissions. Okay, oh, here we are. Publish recent activity to my wall. Okay, so you can publish it to your wall if you want. Anything in the YouTube box. Let's go in here and edit. Okay, we can add a video, for instance, here. And then you just go over to YouTube. You put in the title and the embed code. Let's go over to YouTube. And let's type in funny dog here. Okay, go to the video. And then go get the embed code. Here it is. Copy that. Put the code in here. And put the title in here. Okay, then down here, you can put some additional description if you want. So let's add there. Save to our profile. Okay, and there is our YouTube box. Okay, so it's important to put some applications on your page that make it fun for people to come and have a look. Okay, so our page is now complete. Now the last thing, of course, you would do is publish the page. Okay, and now it's available on our profile and it's available for people to become fans. At this point, you could start promoting it. You could suggest to some friends, or you can promote with an ad on Facebook. Make sure you become a fan yourself. That gives you some additional exposure because it shows on your wall. As you can see on my profile here, it is on my wall saying I became a fan of this site here after I click become a fan. So that's very important. Okay, so now you know how to create your own fan pages using Facebook.